Hello everyone, I'm Simone, tech specialist from Kiloview. This is the video unboxing of the N5, our NDI and NDI-HX SDI version encoder and decoder unit. No further hesitation, let's open the box and see what's inside. In the box we do have a brochure of our products, the site's information, the warranty card, a user manual, of course the encode and decode unit itself, the power brick supply 12 volts with the EU adapter. Of course, if you are in US or UK you have your own adapter, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and the hot shoe mount to mount this onto a camera. Let's now see the back of the unit. Here we have the Ethernet jack with PoE, SDI in, SDI out, the line in out depending whether you're using encode or decode mode, the DC power supply and the back tally light. On the front then we do have the USB-C, the buttons, the screen and the select button here. Here's the main menu of the encoder, where you can see the CPU, the memory usage, the firmware and the temperature of the core. If we press the select button, we have keyboard clicks where we can decide whether to have audio when we click the button, the reboot, the screen protector and the restore factory presets. In the NDI tab, we can decide whether using this as an encoder or decoder. So without accessing the Web UI, we can decide this parameter. And in the source, we can decide whether select SDI or USB if we hook it up in the USB camera setup. In the NDI-HX we do have the same settings where we can change the encoding quality, if encoder or decoder, and as you can see here on the quality we do have a lot of settings to choose from. Then in the network tab we can see our IP address given by DHCP router if we are under this condition. But we can also disable the DHCP if we want to and actually set up the static IP address by selecting all the rows and change the numbers. For example here, if I want to change the latest number, I just select what I want and then press OK. The front screen can be also used as a tally option. Whether the encoder is in preview mode or program, the light goes green or red. Do you remember the USB-C to A adapter? Through the latest firmware update, you can now hook it up a USB camera, like a webcam, into this encoder and transcode into NDI. You simply take the cable, plug it into the front of the unit, and now, for example, I take the webcam here, I connect to the USB port, and select here in the menu, instead of SDI, I'm gonna select USB. And as you can see, the webcam light appear and now you can use your webcam as your source in NDI. This is the Web UI of the N5, where you can see the video preview of your signal, the canvas size, the codec we are using and the audio. Of course, we can modify everything from the NDI menu, such as scaling, for example, the NDI name, the encoding quality, whether using HX2 or HX3 and H.264 or H.265 codec. We can of course change it from encode mode to decode mode and also have the settings like the discovery server, for example, or the network tab, and also control our PTZ cameras. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more to come. You can always reach us at www.kiloview.com, and for any technical support, send us an email to support@kiloview.com. See you in the next one.